Hi, myself Ankit Gupta, and I have secured AIR 4 in GATE 2021 in Civil Engineering discipline. I belong to Jhalawar, Rajasthan, and I have done my graduation from IIT Roorkee in 2019. I got campus placement there, so I worked there for 1 year, but then I decided to prepare for GATE and EAC exams because I always wanted to be a part of top PSUs and engineering services departments. So I talked about it with my seniors, and they recommended me IAS Master to help in preparation. So I joined IAS Master last year in March month and their regular classroom program, morning batch. So IAS Master helped me with their quality study material and test series to achieve this journey. And I would like to thank and also congratulate IAS Master for their outstanding performance in GATE 2021.
Congratulations, Ankit Gupta, on securing AIR 4 in GATE 2021 from Civil Engineering branch.
Thank you, ma'am.
What was your overall strategy with regard to GATE preparation?
My strategy was first of all to focus on the concepts. So I went through all the topics and covered all the syllabus in depth so that I can build upon all the concepts. And obviously, I rigorously practiced all the test series and the questions which were provided in the IS Master study material to improve my performance and to get through this. So in the last month also I took all the full syllabus tests to improve myself, and actually that works like a mirror for the real GATE exam. So I worked on that and worked on my shortcomings to achieve this.
Do you think preparing short notes is helpful in exam like GATE?
Definitely it is helpful because when you want to do a quick revision, you need to have something small because you can't go through all the 12 or 13 your books. So it is definitely helpful.
What were your marks in GATE 2021?
I scored 88.7 marks in GATE 2021.
Tell us about the initial hours in exam hall.
It was a bit intense, but I kept my cool and I went through all the questions which were like in first easy go. So after that, I gained confidence and went through all of the paper and scored quite a good marks.
How did you improve upon the all important accuracy?
So for improving accuracy, I completely relied on test series. I analyzed each and every test and work upon my shortcomings. That was the only thing I did for maintaining my accuracy and improving them.
What was your approach to avoid negative marking?
For avoiding negative marking, I did not attempt any question which I had doubt. So I attempted almost 53 questions out of 55 in civil section. So for avoiding negative marking, you have to be quite confident in those questions that has negative marks.
Tell us about your schedule in last month of preparation.
I focused totally on revision and the test series. That was the only thing I did in the last month, and worked on my all the shortcomings in the tests and I improved upon them.
How was this year's GATE paper compared to previous years?
This year GATE paper was quite the similar, but the aptitude portion was a bit easy. Otherwise, it was quite the same.
How to maintain the consistency for preparation?
About how to maintain the consistency for your during your preparation you have to be quite self-motivating because none other than yourself can motivate you more than you. So it is quite you only. So that was it. And one more suggestion from my side will be that discuss your doubts and also your concepts with the faculty and also with your friends, because when you discuss with your friends, you are with quite ease. So you can discuss more and better, and it will help you for a deep understanding.
Which program were you a part of here at IES Master?
I was a part of regular classroom program morning batch.
Please tell us the classroom experience and about online course of IES Master.
So I joined IS Master on 17th of Feb. So my offline classes were only for 1 month. So in that 1 month, I was taught aptitude and engineering maths. So it was quite interacting sessions. They interacted with everyone, like in the big classroom also they interacted with everyone and they encourage you a lot. So after that, the classes switched to the online mode, and they were quite regular, and It was a bit challenging in online classes. It is a bit less interacting, but overall it was quite a good help to get through this.
How did IES Master online program helpful to you?
So in online mode, I got regular classes and regular lectures, and also the quizzes to test our understanding.
How IES Master study material helped you during GATE preparation?
IS Master study material is quite focused for GATE and ESE exams. So if you went through all of the study material, you will get all the things you need to crack the GATE exam. So it's quite a good resource, quite a compacted resource for GATE exams.
What about the doubt clearing session here at IES Master?
Doubt clearing sessions are good. After every lecture, you can go to the respective teacher and clear all of your doubts. They are encouraging and they clear all of your doubts.
So, Ankit, since last year the world has seen a pandemic and preparing for exams like GATE requires regular guidance, but all offline classes were not there to help. So, how did IES Master help you in that phase?
It was a bit challenging as all the classes were halted for 1 month, but IS Master helped us through their online lectures, which were quite thorough and the same as the offline mode. So they helped us through that, and also they provided us regular quizzes and tests to check our understanding, and also they solved our doubts through a Telegram channel.
How do you see online mode of preparation?
Online classes are actually the need of the hour. It is not exactly same the offline classes, but it is quite good in IS Master because the live lectures are very interactive and they take all of your doubts through the comment section. So it's quite a good alternative for that.
It's a huge success. How was it received? Take us through the very special moment.
It was a rigorous 1 year. I prepared a lot for this exam because I left my job for this exam, and I have to be in the top ranks so that I can achieve my goal. So the special moment was when the GATE result announced, and I first of all I showed it to my mother, and she hugged me with joy. So it was quite the special moment for me.
Tell us a little about your family.
My father is a mathematics lecturer in senior secondary school, and my mother is homemaker, and I have a little sister.
How was your journey from school to college?
My journey was after 12th exam, I went to Kota for JEE preparation. So I got selected in IIT Roorkee, and it was quite the journey for me to school from to the IIT.
What would your advice for aspirants of GATE 2022?
According to me, GATE exam does not require much more than 8 months to prepare. So you can start your preparation in fourth year only. But if you want to be a bit thorough, you can start your preparation in third year also, because nowadays online mode is also there. So you can take their help, and in your college only you can avail that, and you can prepare yourself for the GATE exam.
You have been an excellent student here at IES Master. We thank you so much for giving us time and for sharing your experience. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.